So now we've got our assessment out of the way, we begin the process of completely taking the guitar apart. We'll take the neck off and put it to one side, and then we'll just start stripping all the various bits off, and we'll label everything so it all goes back together the same way, and then we'll start our process of stripping the pickguard and stripping the body down. And someone has very helpfully written white and black where the two connection points are on it. And the only problem is that if the input jack moves at all, the sides could switch, so don't always trust labels that strange people write inside guitars. So now we've completely separated the electronics from the body, so we can work on the pickguard and all the electrics separately to the body. So our next step will be to completely strip this back to bare wood. We still have the ferrules in the back here we're going to knock out, and so we'll take it right back down to natural wood. We're going to photograph all these marks and scrapes we've got all over. So as I will bring you back, our next step will be to strip the body and start working on our pickguard.